How to get rid of frequently visited sites on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to get rid of frequently visited sites on iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step is to check whether or not your iOS is up to date. So go ahead and your settings and look for General, click on it, and go to Software Update right here. You should also make sure that you are connected to the internet so that you may see your latest version of the iOS. And then make sure to click on download and install the latest iOS so that we will be on the same page. Once you have updated your iOS, you may now go to Safari and then you may be able to see the frequently visited sites right here. So there are actually two ways in removing or getting rid of the frequently visited sites. The first one is just by clicking and holding on the specific site. So press and hold on a specific site and click on delete right here. And then for the second option, you may go to the bottommost part of the page and click on edit right here. And you should look for the frequently visited site option right here. To get rid of it or turn it off, just simply click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of frequently visited sites. Click on it, press the X button or the exit button, and then as you can see now, the frequently visited site has been removed from your screen. So that's it. That's how you can get rid of frequently visited sites on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.